All of this was dug out by hand. And some of it is yet to be dug out. Official snow tally for Bethesda, Maryland, 27 inches.